like, I want some feeding braids.
Go ahead and follow my Instagram at hustle_the_hair. Let's get started.
I don't want it to be dry. My hair is dry. It's usually like wet and curly, but I've been wearing my wigs, but my wigs are sitting up high because I need to braid my hair. So I'm just moisturizing my hair.
My braiders know what's up. I'm using a blow dryer to stretch out my hair. That way it's smooth and easier to grip.
See if I can grip this hair. Woo.
Honestly, I just wanted to see if I was able to get the braids in. I don't really care about the parts being super neat or nothing like that. It's just for me. We're quarantined anyway. Something to do.
Ain't gotta be super duper perfect, cause I'm just me. Like, I'm gonna be cute regardless.
I love the confidence. Sis says she gonna be cute regardless.
I'm just separating some pieces to feed in to my hair. I don't want them real big either. I just want them like natural looking, but I really want them.
Like I said, ladies, the parts don't have to be super perfect as long as they're in there.
Let's see, Big Mama.
Wow, did I really just call myself Big Mama? Y'all know what's up. So the answer is yes. I guess I was able to do feed-ins in my super short hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.